Hello, my beautiful kings and queens. Welcome or welcome back to Tea with Naisha. And remember, we do everything here with a cup of tea. So go ahead and take a sip, 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 and let's jump into today's video. So guys, I am here with a new unboxing. Yes, we're back with an unboxing, and this is from the company Milrose Notes. It came today. I believe this came like in 3 days. Shipping was very fast, and they do use UPS, which is great. So I love the top part of the box where it says, "You've been expecting me." This is very pretty. You can actually feel the texture of this font and print. I'm not sure what that is called. I love the black detailing of the box, and it does have their logo here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Now, I've never purchased anything from this company before, but I've heard great reviews. And I did use a discount code, and I will leave the link to the website and the PR code I use. So it supports the company and the person that is on their PR team. Okay, look at the inside. Can you see that? That is so pretty. So it says Milrose Notes. I love this. What if I can flip this box inside out like I did with Pretty Planner Co? So I may do that one with this one if I can do it. All right, so let's start with the thank you. So it says, "Thank you for your purchase. We greatly appreciate your business." And I see that there is a discount code in here, so thank you. I love when companies offer that for your next purchase. Okay, I love the way the front of this card looks. It has their inserts on the front. That is very pretty. And I do keep all of these cards that I get, so I'm actually gonna stick it in my drawer now. And then the next item in here it says, "Per my last email, see below. Perhaps there was some confusion on your part. Let me know if you need additional clarity. I can also have someone give you a call to explain. Best regards." I love this. I always want to tell people, per my last email, or per my last phone conversation, or per my last text message. But you know, they like to say it's unprofessional to do that, but whatever. Okay, guys, look at this packaging and tissue paper. This is gorgeous. Look at that. That is beautiful. The packaging alone is going to have me repurchase from this company. I love when companies take time to put their design and their logo on everything. That is magnificent. No, I don't want to mess it up because it's so cute. Let's see if I can take this off good. All right, let's see. Oh, I'm almost there. Come on. I did it, guys. I did it. All right, let's see if I can fold this back. I know y'all probably like, "No, this girl." Yes, I am. I am taking this off beautifully. Okay, so here's the first thing. Let's scoot you up. So this is called a inbox dashboard, and I'm going to open it. So it says inbox. Now, I wanted to have one of these because I want to start keeping track of like packages or mail that is coming in. And I thought it was perfect for it to say inbox. Let's see. Let me see if I have some computer paper to show you. Sorry for the background noise, what this really looks like. Okay. Can you see that gold? My lighting is not doing it any justice, but please go to milrosenotes.com and look at the beauty, or even on their Instagram. I love this. It is gorgeous. It said authentic bright gold. And this is flexible, so I like that as well. It's a nice bendy quality. Okay, so next we are going to get into the, I'm going to move all this out the way. Okay, so here we have the SWOT analysis. Now, SWOT stands for, I'm sorry for the noise. Trying to make sure you guys got some good lighting. Okay, so SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So you have the internal and the external, the positive and the negative. I like that. It also has title and date. So strengths, it has a little definition up here. It says things to be considered: what you do well, value, market differentiation, assets, profitability, property rights. Things to be considered for weaknesses, areas of improvement, lack of resources. Opportunities can be trends, market expansion, threats, emerging competitors, financial pressures. And I won't use these things to be considered. I'm not going to use it for how it is given on here, if that makes sense. But I believe these were a pack of 50 for $12 and some change. Okay, the next package I received is the meeting notes. So it has meeting, date, attendings, main discussion points, key thoughts, takeaways, notes, and next steps. I like that. I like how their logo is on everything. Okay, so I got this because for meetings, just meetings for my job. So this is why I got this. I love the paper. It's not standard computer paper. It's not cardstock. It's maybe a step down from cardstock. So I really like it. And I love the white, crisp white of the paper. I actually didn't open up the SWOT analysis. Ooh, it smells really good. I know. Y'all probably like, this girl don't stop smelling stuff. But I can't help it. I don't know. I've always smelled products or packages because I like to see that it's coming from a clean environment. Okay, so this one says touch base. So this is like meeting as well, or follow-up to the meeting notes. So this one says touch base at the top. Then it says meeting with, date, and then you have here for topics, discussion, recognition, follow-up, and action steps. And all of these are front and back. So I like, these are very cool. I like this as well. Of course, I like all of them because I really looked at the inserts that I wanted on the website. And then, last but not least, we have the S-bar. So title and date you have here, but then you have situation, background, assessment, recommendation, and additional recommendations. So I like that as well. Like I said, some of these I won't use, maybe or maybe not use for what the criteria says here, but who knows? Who knows? I probably can use it for that. So these are the four inserts that I picked up. So we have the S-bar, the touch base, the SWOT analysis, and the meeting notes. And then we have the inbox, dashboard, and last but not least, we have the per my last email card. So I know this was a quick short video, but I hope you enjoyed these unboxing, and stay tuned for when I set this up in my planner, and that will be in an upcoming video. And I hope you enjoyed these items you saw here. If you ever shop from Milrose Notes, tell me what you've picked up before. Have you picked up any of their agendas? Because they do sell agendas as well. I would love to hear your comments. Don't forget to like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. It helps out my channel a lot. Turn on that bell, ding ding, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because it is what? F-R-E-E, free, here with Tea with Naysha. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.